Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an ice-dyed scrunch shirt. I have my prepped shirt that I've turned inside out, and I'm just going to scrunch it up and hold it in place with some rubber bands. Then since I'm going to ice dye this shirt, I've put it down inside of a small tub, and I'm going to pour the ice over the top of the shirt this time. Instead of putting the dye down first, I'm going to put the ice down first. Then I'm just going to use a variety of blues for this shirt. I'm using azure, baby blue, electric blue, and sky blue, which are all Dharma colors. Then I have a big chunk of ice I'm just going to kind of stick on top and sprinkle a little bit of Custom Colors Blue number 416 over the top of the whole thing. I forgot to show, but I did come back and sprinkle some soda ash over the top of all the dyes. Then I just let it process for at least 24 hours after the ice melted, and this is what our shirt looks like. If you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really easy. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching.